What's up everyone, I'm Ben from Raddatz and today we'll be introducing our PC building series. In this series we'll be going through start to finish how to build a PC. We'll be going through things like picking your parts, how to build it, and how to get the whole PC all set up. If you've ever wanted to build a PC but you've been stuck on starting, this is a video series for you. I'll be going over things like cases, components, accessories and peripherals, monitors, and setting up your software. If you have any questions about AMD versus Intel, AMD versus NVIDIA, air cooling versus liquid cooling, ATX versus EATX versus ITX, I'll try and cover all of those. If you have any specific questions, leave a comment down below and I'll try and incorporate them into a future video. Today in this video, we'll be talking about case sizes. So first you want to figure out how big the space is that you'll have for your PC. If you've got endless amount of space, or you like to have a full-size case with a big window to see everything, then you want to go for a normal size case. Or if space is an issue, you want to go with a case like this, which is a mini ITX case. The components inside are more or less the same, except for this guy. This has a smaller motherboard to be able to fit inside the case more comfortably. Keep in mind that there's also more upgrade limitations when you go with a smaller case. The bigger the case, obviously the more size you'll have to be able to put more stuff in it. If you have endless amounts of money and you want a very powerful computer, you can go with an EATX board and a very expensive CPU, and you can get an even bigger case to fit all that extra stuff. Some people like to put their cases on their desk, so if you like to do that and you like to have the RGB flash, then a case with a nice big open window like this would be great so that you can see all your components flashing around, lighting up, and giving you all the RGB joy that you ever need. If you do like your computer on your desk but space is still an issue, a smaller case like this would still be great because you can put it on your desk vertically like this, or cases like this can also be put on their side for a smaller footprint compared to this one. Since we're still in the beginning stages of building your computer, one thing to keep in mind of is whether or not you'll be having water cooling. It doesn't have to be right away, but if you plan on it at some point, choosing a case that will be able to integrate well with water cooling will be important at this stage so that you don't have to buy a whole new case down the road when you decide to put water cooling in. Most cases that can work well with water cooling will almost always be able to fit most air coolers as well. So now that we've covered cases today, next week's video we'll be talking about CPUs. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so that you don't miss that video. Make sure to like, comment, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll be posting some more behind the scenes of these videos. Peace.